In this video, we will be looking at TBC 5.7 Linear Feature Measure Enhancements. We will focus on the Measure Line Clearance functionality. In this video, we'll have a look at the Measure Line Clearance function that's been added to TBC 5.7. For this functionality, you will need a point cloud that has been classified, as well as CAD lines that has already been generated for the power lines. I'll show you in this example. If I switch off the power lines, you will see I have already generated the CAD lines. So to use this functionality, we'll switch off the ground, leave on the ground and switch off the rest. Now you can see my lines and ground. In the Points Cloud tab, you will find the Measure Line Clearance functionality over there. Click on it. We'll open up a window. We can now choose a layer or create one where we want to store our measurements. Line clearance I will generate for this, and I'll choose a color of yellow. Now you can select the CAD lines you would like the measurement to use. Select all the lines you would like to calculate clearance for. Next up, we need to choose which region we want to calculate or measure to. So for this exercise, we'll use the ground. The search radius you can set anything from 0.1 to 5 meters in width. We'll just go for 1 meter as we have a nice dense point cloud on the ground. You can flag the clearance to check a specific height that you want to make sure you have for these lines. If you tick on that, you can then click in there and set the actual clearance height you want to check. So anything less than 6 meters it will flag, and more than that it will show up as fine. When you're done with that, click on the measure, and there we go. TBC calculated the line clearance for all 3 lines. As you can see in red, we have now added the flag clearance that is less than 6 meters. If you want to, you can create a CSV report. I've already done that, and this is what the report looks like. As you can see, it shows the 2 flag clearances, the distance over there, and more information pertaining to your measurements. If you want to add just the flag clearances or all the clearances that to be measured, click on either of these buttons. I'll do the add all, and it has now added that into your project. If you close it, we will now be able to see the clearances in your project. That is how you do and use the Measure Line Clearance functionality.